Hey guys, in this video is going to be checking out the 5 best exercise mini steppers machines checking by right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are as a research analyst. Then based on quality as reviews and price reductions every type of consumer. If you are more information and updated price in the product mentioned it take to link in the description below. Okay, so much get started. Home treadmill. A quality treadmill allows you to get some cardio exercise from the comfort of your home and is a great addition to any at-home gym setup. Though a treadmill's features vary depending on specific makes and models, the most important qualities are power, reliability, and comfort. Our top pick, the ProForm Pro 2000 treadmill, is great for racers and casual runners alike, offering interactive workouts from iFit that stream to its 7-inch onboard monitor, a specially cushioned tread to reduce impact, and an easy fold-up design. When building a home gym, you'll find plenty of strange equipment on the market. There are at-home personal trainers masquerading as mirrors and interactive punching bags that turn your living room into a boxing gym. Some even replicate the physical gym experience in your living room. But few options have endured the changing landscape of at-home fitness quite like the treadmill. It's easy to see why, too. They're great for maintaining cardio fitness, preparing for road races like 2-milers or 5Ks, or serving as a complement to your weekly workout routine, especially for anyone who doesn't have time to always run outside. Compared to other types of machines, treadmills are also incredibly simple to use. You just run or walk on the belt, and a motor moves it under your feet at whatever speed you select. But treadmills offer a whole host of different features that'll help you gain exactly the kinds of training and health benefits you need. Some treadmills are advanced, offering high-tech features like touchscreen displays and live-streamed classes, while others are more basic. We've included a variety of treadmill types at a number of price points to help you find the best option for your needs. Be aware, though, treadmills are expensive and cheaper models don't always last as long or work as well in the long run. Daily exercise can help to keep a healthy body. With our climbing stepper, experience diverse home fitness. Help strengthen and build the muscles in your lower body far more effectively than an exercise bike. Built with a hydraulic drive system, this workout machine provides a smooth stepping motion. Our fitness stepper with the resistance bands offers an optimal workout for the whole body in a small space. Small size for saving space, convenient to exercise at home anytime. Using stair stepper can help you get a better night's sleep and make sure you are getting proper sleep hygiene. You can also strengthen your immune system and reduce stress. Stair stepper goes up and down and mimic the stair climbing action pretty closely. You don't have to worry about jarring your knees and joints like you would when running on hard concrete. Train your waist, thighs and inside. Step the pedal with your feet parallel and move the center of gravity to your right foot and trample on the pedal and then make your left foot do the same step. The oversized metal pedals promote blood circulation in the soles of the feet and do not slip down during exercise. Design with handle which could carry easily. Noise-free design, dual hydraulic device design gives you a smoother, quieter ride, convenient to exercise at home anytime. Unique V-type stepping movement, moving up and down and side to side in a low impact, which protects your joints. Also can directly strengthen deep muscles and not easy to cause acid accumulation in your body. If you have knee problem, please try exercises mildly. Heavy-duty steel construction to stand the test of time, and the everyday use of intense workouts. LED monitor displays time, scan, parameter, time, and calories. It's easier to track your fitness and progress. This compact mini stair stepper fits perfectly anywhere in your home. You can even stash it in a corner or in a closet when you're not using it so you can keep it out of sight should you have guests over or something like that. 1. Electronic display, timing and counting. Inducing exercise intensity during exercise, accurately recording exercise times and time. Provide accurate data reference for your fitness exercise. 2. Takeaway massage tortuous board, burn fat. After exercise, it can tell you the energy consumed during exercise and burning fat provides clear results for your weight loss plan. Magnetic therapy massage, in use, when the electromagnetic wave passes through the fever, through the foot, rubbing and acupuncture points in the pathological reflex area of the fever. When passed to the human body, secondary currents like eddy currents occur inside the cells and are converted into Joule heat in the body, which is very helpful. Good health, anti-inflammatory and analgesic. Thin waist and leg care. During exercise, you can exercise the waist, chest, legs and abdomen to reduce the abdomen and thin waist. Breast enhancement and leg care. Enhance skin elasticity, etc. Non-slip design, such as non-sporting skateboard and loopless hoop, easy to use, simple to use. 3. Stepping function, excellent product structure, equipped with 2 hydraulic buffer rods, which can eliminate knee joint friction during sports. And it is more beneficial for muscle and bone stretching. Using a computer monitor, you can manage your exercise. You can adjust the required exercise intensity, and then place your foot above the pedal to increase the exercise intensity. So you don't know before burning fat. Specially exercise the waist, abdomen, legs and other parts to create a perfect curve. It does not take up space and is easy to collect. Balance of physical exercise therapy, hand or pedal with adjustable shoulder strap. This mini exercise bike is designed for exercising arms and legs, providing smooth, low-impact top exercises and lower body stimulation to stimulate blood circulation and improve muscle strength and coordination ability, help to improve the overall shape. Exercise anytime, anywhere, mini and compact are designed to let you go or use them anywhere. The adjustable pedal AGM bike is perfect for all ages, men, women, office workers with disabilities and people who don't have much time to go to the gym. This mini exercise bike can be used while watching TV, or it can be placed under the table so that you can exercise while working. Affichage, the LCD display is equipped with 4 clear values per minute, revolutions per minute. During exercise, the number of calories consumed, the period and the number of revolutions and the calories consumed, and it also has a feature analysis showing all measurement sequence. Human body design, this bicycle crank machine can be easily adjusted, and the voltage resistance can be changed by the voltage screw. The analysis function can automatically display all measured values alternately. High quality, our AGM resistance exercise bike is made of durable steel structure and crank to ensure long service life. The pedal can be operated forward or backward. The resistance can be easily adjusted by turning the adjustment knob located on the top of the item. Fitness stepper make it easy and economic for you to effective exercise and burn some extra calories while watching television, reading a book at home or working at the office, or any other time when you're sitting and your legs are free. What's more, almost every dimension of cognition improved from 30 minutes of aerobic exercise, and creativity is no exception. Don't hesitate to have one. Can train multiple body parts, including waist, legs, hips and so on. It can be used at home or in the office, so you can use it anytime and anywhere. The compact design allows you to place and store it without taking up space. Textured non-slip pedals and wide base provide stable, quiet and smooth exercise. Wider foot pedals and strong steel allow users to exercise with confidence. Light move up and down action tightens and tones your calves muscles, gluteal muscles and hip flexors. This calorie-burning stepper will not only tone your muscles but it will also benefit your overall health. The cardiovascular workout will make your heart and lungs work more efficiently. This product ships pre-assembled, so you can step right into your workout once it arrives.